Welcome back. It is what it is. Always order on swing when Nanda when the Duke and Son and one and one Mahungoni. And this is the Van Rap Radio. On an among about to you know how we do it. Yeah, man. So we're gonna be looking at the news, what's popping on the street, what's been happening. I know it's been a while, guys. I kind of disappear sometimes. Yeah, enough about that, guys. It's been hectic, eh? It's crazy as it is. Some people are like, but how can you do this? Because you guys had fallen out. What I'm saying, I'm talking about Cassper Nyovest, because right now Cassper Nyovest has a tattoo. Return, we never die, we multiply. It's the tattoo that that's the lingo that Riky likes to use a lot. Man, we never die, we multiply. So Cassper, it was the birthday. Osumbeza plako position picha Osumbeza. Now he got the tattoo, got the tattoo on his chest that return, we never die, but we multiply. Some people did entertain it the best way they can, and some went as negative as they can. We know how Twitter can be, we know how social media can be, Facebook, all the social medias. We know how you get treated when you post something, because maybe we're not friends, maybe somebody is just not what you're looking for. Cassper made sure that he has a tattoo on his chest, in the middle of his chest, down here, right in the diaphragm. He was honoring Riky, and yeah, man, he misses him all the time. I don't know. What do you think about that, guys? You tell me. Yeah, enough about that. Then we move on and we're checking out that we have another artist that just passed away. I'm talking about Mampintsha Shimora. He passed away at the age of 40. Mampintsha had a stroke, and firstly, it was reported that he was doing well, he was recovering well. All those things, people were saying, and people were sending prayers. We had those that were celebrating, calling him all the names, the abuser, all those things that they can mention on social media. Because looks like we have so many Twitter accounts, so many Facebook accounts that are meant to destroy or to degrade or say whatever they feel, because they can't really use their own personal profile, like where who's the person that's saying whatever they're saying. So they decide, you know what, we need to have all these fake accounts and say what we want to say, just to enjoy and see other people go through hell. Because even if people are saying he did that, been abusing babes or do more, why did she stay and all that, we don't know why she stayed. If it's true. We have seen all those videos, we've seen all the things that they've been saying, but hey, buddy, these days, mind your own business. But yeah, man, so I don't see why people they were not supporting Babes Wotumo with what she's going through. Instead, they were just saying all the negative things. But yeah, man, if you remember, Big Nas just also dropped an album. They dropped an album called Armoshesha. So I mean, it was just picking up, it was showing that it's doing good, and then now we have this that Mampintsha is gone. I wonder how Danger is gonna handle this, because this will be a lot harder than ever, man, because they have lost Armoshesha and now it's gone. Mampintsha, just after they got back together, and he's gone. I don't know. I don't think we're gonna have Big Nas continuing, because now we only have one artist left, unless maybe they pull in some artists and trying to continue the group. But yeah, man, Mampintsha is gone. May his soul rest in peace. Or wrong a stroke. Damn, man, it's bad. Yeah, so enough about that. So we move on through to Sabc Livhu. Damn it, it's been crazy, guys. Sabc Livhu versus Ravheka. I don't know what's going on, but these two have been going on and on, man. Calling each other names. Calling each other Migodi and stuff. I don't know what's going on between them. Whether they're pulling the stunt, trying to promote whatever's supposed to happen, but calling each other names and disrespecting each other, saying all the nasty things that you can ever think about. I don't know, man. I think people want to influence or call themselves influencers, but they don't understand how they need to influence or do things. But it's just crazy seeing someone like Sabc Livhu doing all those things. I don't know. Maybe that's how he decided that this is how he's gonna push his business. But he didn't mention that, yo, man, she'll end up like David Makuya. So I don't really know what is in his that legal head of Sabc Livhu, because I know that guy is smart, he's genius. You might disagree with what I'm saying, but if you get to know him, the guy is very smart. But sometimes I look at his content and how he's pulling stunts. It really breaks my heart because I know that he can do better than that. But hey, I got no beef with Livhu. Nothing. I'm just saying, someone I know and all the stuff. So besides that, I've seen people now blocking him, posting all the status and on the status that they blocked his pages, they blocked his profiles on social medias. But funny enough, the same people, you're still finding them talking about him. So I don't get it, Uri. How do you still follow someone that you said you don't want anything to do with? So you are still busy following him again. Like you block these social medias, but he's still commenting on status, how he's so childish. Did you see Stairs just posted us an hour ago, 20 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, but damn, I thought you blocked him. So it looks like some people are posting those status like they are blocking him, but they know for a fact they're not blocking him. They just like you are. I think you say something you're about to block SABC or whoever you want to block, but those people take screenshots and never block him. They're just chasing the cloud. I don't know, but yeah, man, it's just crazy like that where we see people that they're blocking him. Bakwambori, he's childish and he's not doing things right. He's abusive. He's rude. They call him names, man. But yo, man, what do you think, guys out there? Tell us, comment down below. What do you think about SABC Livhu's situation? Is he losing fans? I saw Mangenga saying that he had about 160,000 and now he's left with 124,000 followers, likes, fans on social media, on Facebook. So I don't know. You guys tell us, what do you think about this whole drama? Huh? From then, again, we have another story where we see that Tman Gavin ukodia vari mudzura pasi kana kuti papensheni kadakala muzika ngori ukambovi ordinatera akuita zvone. But when I look at it in ndimafungori, sometimes vatona kushuma navo, I don't think they're putting enough work or they're doing right somewhere somehow to give us some dope music like he used to, because sometimes you find the producer do fail also. But I don't know, you guys, Mareba Ukwambori, hey, Tman Gavin, take a chill pill. How like say in this industry, what do you guys think? Tman Gavin on Netarune, put up a gaming. You guys can tell us down below. And big up to Mpuna. I saw Mpuna is performing. He's doing great, guys. Mpuna is out there and he's definitely killing it. We're happy to see you, man. So make sure, boy, you do what you do and you stay in lane. Make sure that you're right. So, because we are about to bounce, we are time. Guys, make sure if you're an artist and you're not booked this December to perform anywhere, whether it's a free gig or a non-free gig, relook your craft. Sedzani muzika wanu njo blame vatu. Unazvinani kozita right uchidaka muzika wanu. That means you are missing out on something, so you need to go back to drawing board and try and rework. It is what I'm writing, what I'm recording, what I'm releasing. Is it what people want? Or they got recorded and then vanga. Because venda, guys, there's so many gigs, man. You should be booked. Atafana kare watu wachikurira nga gigi left and right uradzikuiti waritona gigi natanu. These days we get places where you can go chill, we got places where you can go party, drink, have fun, and all those places are having gigs left and right, day and night. These gigs. So if you're not booked, there's a problem, guys, with your music. If you're calling yourself like I'm the dope ass, you're busy posting how dope you are, and you are nowhere in any of the gigs. About venda bunjas. Not one gigs at 10 and at 2, not one gigs at 5, not one gigs at 15. If you ain't doing good like them, guys, find out what could be the problem. We are at time, and this is the Van Rap Radio. I'm out of here.